Welcome again. Before we dig into the real hands-on stuff, I'd like you to take a moment to acknowledge what lies ahead. Electronics repair isn't about just watching videos or memorizing steps. It's about troubleshooting through applied experience. This is a learning process built on real effort, real practice, and real mistakes to help others get started. You'll gradually build confidence with your tools and your mind, making mistakes, and learning from them. You'll be getting practical guidelines. But also, progress depends on you, your focus, your curiosity, and how much you're willing to explore beyond what's shown. So, as you continue from here, acknowledge this. This content is designed to guide your learning process, but how you learn, what you do, and your safety along the way are entirely your responsibility. With that in mind, let's get started.